Hello, I'm Suki Vicky, and today I got a cold because I got it from Angela because she came to school with a cold. Not cool. Well, I got really bad sneezing. As I said, I got really bad sneezing. And then you pause.
Okay. Buy baked bills. I'm kidding. Don't buy Boston baked beans because I don't like them. Okay, girl. I'm kidding. Buy silly bands. They're in. I don't know if they're in now, but
Okay.
stuff is always in. Okay. Try talking.
Because you can see, because I got sneezing. Sorry. I just got really bad sneezing today. Well, she came to school with a cold, not very cold. I got really bad sneezing. Tell me, girl. But this can be fun. You can just make snot-filled tissue flowers like this. Well, you got a snot-filled tissue flower. And sometimes you have to use them. Like right now. Well, what also can be fun is you get to stay in bed from school. What would not be fun than that?
Okay, part 1 is over for